Have you ever been frustrated by strange characters popping up in your text? If you've ever seen something like I hello and wished it could just be oh hello, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to replace those accented characters with ease. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your output doesn't look the way you want it to. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar issues when dealing with text processing. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How can I replace accented characters in my output?" They specifically want to change "ah" to "a" and get rid of other accents as well. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what causes these accented characters to appear? Often, it's due to the way text is encoded or how data is processed. Understanding this will help us find the right solution to clean up your output. And stick around. I have a quick tip at the end that will make your text processing even smoother. To begin replacing accented characters, the user should first identify the characters they want to replace. In this case, the user wants to replace the character "ah." Next, the user can create a function that will handle the replacement of accented characters. This function will take a string as input and return a new string with the replacements made. After defining the function, the user should test it with a sample string that includes the accented character. This will help ensure that the function works as intended. Finally, the user can expand the function to replace additional accented characters if needed. This can be done by adding more replace statements within the function. Fun fact: did you know that the letter A with an accent is called A accent grave? It's interesting how language can affect our coding. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from Alpesh Valaki suggests using the Unicode library to replace accented characters. First, import Unicode, then convert your string to UTF-8. Finally, print the result after applying Unicode to get rid of the accents. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep a list of common replacements handy. It can save you time and effort when you're processing text. And there you have it. You should now be able to replace accented characters with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.